Hi everyone, welcome to Appliance Advisers with Yale Appliance. I'm Francesco, joined as always by Dennis. How you doing today?
Doing great, Fran.
All right, so you left us before with a little bit of a tease, and we answered the question, how often should you change your filter in your refrigerator? Today we're gonna go in a little bit deeper and we're gonna talk about, do the filters in your refrigerator actually work? So let's talk about that.
So the short answer and the Dennis answer would be no, they don't. Misconception. It's basically a carbon filter and it's a cosmetic filter. So what I mean by that is it's trying to mask odor and taste. Mm-hmm. So remove basics like chlorine, sulfur, things like that. The cosmetic part, not true filtration. Like when you say the word, you're actually thinking, oh, it's really pure. It's not. It's taking your town water or whatever water you give it and just doing the basics. Mm-hmm. To do really good filtration, you need contact time on media. It just needs more time. And so it needs a slightly bigger cartridge. And it needs better material in there to actually extract true impurities and really filter the water.
Okay.
So my recommendation, and when you're looking at a filtered refrigerator today that you have, the traditional filter, 750 gallons or 6 months. So not a whole heck of a lot. Yeah. Very clunky to fill something like a coffee urn or a lemonade, and you certainly can't rinse vegetables with it. Slow, right? So the thing that I would recommend to everybody is an inline water, full flow water filter. There's a brand Mountain that makes a phenomenal one. Comes in 3,000 or 6,000 gallons. The only thing that changes is the physical size. So if you had a smaller space underneath the sink or you wanted to put it on a second floor in a bathroom or something. But essentially, different media, a lot more of it, and pure filtration. To the point that these types of filters, they mount in line, meaning it can be right below your cabinet. You don't need to add any spigot or anything. You tap it right into your cold water line only. So, and it's pure flow. So you wouldn't even know it's connected. So you turn on your cold water, it comes on as it always did, but now it's really filtered. Yeah. So rinsing vegetables, filling an coffee urn now, a lemonade thing, very fast and efficient. These get 3,000 to 6,000 gallons of water versus 750. The units themselves cost roughly $300, almost $300 to $330, depending on which size. So really, at 3,000 gallons, they recommend that once a year for an average family of 4 to change. Again, comes with a little timer, but more often the tests actually showed that after a year, it was still actually pulling very good filtration. It's just they needed a replacement market. So it's great filtration. Now, this type of filter, a homeowner can install. Pierce valve, like compression fitting, super simple to install, and certainly a plumber can. It can go in that bottom cabinet. It could go in a basement as long as it's connected to that water line that goes to your faucet. People can tee it off to their ice maker in their fridge. So there's a lot of uses to it. But now we're talking about filtering pesticides, arsenic, mold, VOCs, pathogen cysts, as well as chlorine, sulfur, and it still keeps vital minerals, natural minerals that are good for you and healthy for you in the water. So the replacement filter to this, dry exchange, meaning you literally just flip a switch on top, unscrew it like you would a bottle cap, screw a new one in, turn it back on, and you're up and running. A replacement filter is about $120. So, five times the life.
Yeah, not much of a price difference at the end of it.
Yeah, and a significant savings over the life with pure flow and a lot more flexibility. Check them out. I think that's my recommendation there.
Awesome. So that sounds like a really good alternative to water filters in your refrigerator, something that actually will kind of provide that filtering that we're really looking for. So that's going to do it for today. If you have any questions or comments on today's episode, leave those below. As always, we'd really appreciate if you would like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, everyone.